Hi there guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Osmo and play a couple of games on it today. So first of all, I want you to know that as you know, Ms. Skioka always puts our apps that we're using at the bottom of the screen. So there is a group of apps that's called Osmo. The games we're going to play today are called Tangrams and Numbers. Okay, so those are the games we're going to play. First of all, you're going to put your Osmo base together with the iPad and the reflector. So this white piece right here is the base, this red piece is the reflector. First of all, you put your iPad in there carefully. Then your reflector has a silver piece on the bottom, that's a mirror. We put it right over the camera, just like that. So right there where the camera is in the middle, make sure that your reflector is going right over it. Then you choose the game that you're going to play. So let's start off with Tangrams. While that's pulling up, you're going to need your tangram pieces right here. Okay, I'm going to turn it down so it's not quite so loud. And then the first thing you're going to do the first time you play is make a profile. And after that, you just find your profile. While that's loading, I'm going to pull out the pieces for the game. So if you just press play, it's going to play on this profile that says K3 up at the top. And that's somebody else's profile. So you're going to want to make your own. So click the profile up here at the top for the first time, and down at the bottom it says create new. Now after a lot of people have been playing this, it's going to have a lot of names on there. So you'll have to scroll down to go to the very bottom and click create new. Then you choose a picture that you like. You're going to be playing with a partner, so you and your partner quickly decide what picture you want. Click on it, click it once more, and then you're going to put your name and your partner's name. So my first name is Dorian, so you put that, and then I put my partner's name. My partner is going to be my husband, Koichi. So I put Koichi. Now you'll notice there's no space in between my name and my partner's name. It won't allow you to do a space. Once you have your name and your partner's name, click the check mark, and now you're ready to play. Now the next time you come on, that name will be in the list of profiles. Okay, and so my name's up at the top because mine was the newest profile. And then you press play. There are easy, medium, and hard. I'm going to start with an easy one. So this is the picture that I'm trying to make, and it shows me exactly what color to use. And I just put them on the board the same way as in the picture. I have to do the same color exactly, and then you'll see once I get it right, it lights up. Okay, so I just keep going. There it goes. It does a little celebration. Yay, I did it. And then I can choose a new picture. I can choose another easy one or medium or hard one. Okay, so that's how to play Tangrams. Once you're finished, you just press the button. It'll go back to the beginning, and then you need to put the pieces in the box so that you're ready to switch and do a different game or ready to be done. I always start with the biggest piece first. The biggest piece is going to be this triangle piece right here. And so I'm going to put these two giant pieces to the side. I put the green triangle in first, and then other pieces as I see where they go. And just follow the lines inside the box, and it'll help you put them in the right spot. And then the last two pieces, the big pieces, they just go on top and make a square. And that's how you put them in. Put the lid on the top. Make sure you can read it. It'll say Osmo right here. And then click it so that it stays closed. Okay, so it's ready for somebody else to play. The other game we're going to do today is called Numbers. And you'll need this box for numbers. To begin with, you only need the dots. So just pull those out, leave the numbers inside the box. While I'm pulling that out, I'm going to go ahead and click on Numbers on the iPad, pull the dots out. I'm going to put them to the side, not in front, because this is where the camera is going to be looking. So put them to the side. I can have some, my partner can have some, and we can take turns playing this game. Hey, if this happens, it says we need to use your camera, we need your permission. Click OK, continue. OK, you can use the camera. If you're not sure what to do, raise your hand and a teacher will come help you. Okay, just like in the other game, we have to start at the beginning. So press the profile up here, go down and pick a profile. All right, and press play. Okay, so it will start at number 1 when you put your profile in there for the first time. After that, it will remember where you are. So press the 1. You're going to start off at Goldfish Gulch. Now it's going to feel really easy at the beginning, and each level gets more and more difficult. So at the beginning, we're just working on counting and basic addition. So I'm ready to play. I look at the top and see what's going on. I've got 2 and I've got 1, so 2 plus 1 equals 3. I'm going to try to pop these bubbles right here, but to do that I have to make those numbers. So I use the tiles in order to do that. The tiles come in 5s, 2s, and 1s. Okay, so it saw that 5 and then it popped all the 5s. So now I'm going to make the number 6 by doing a 5 and a 1. And I continue to pop the bubbles. You will see fish in there. We're trying to save the fish. To do that, we have to pop all the bubbles underneath it in order for the fish to come down. Okay. Once the fish comes down, it will fall into the water like this. And the more fish you get, the higher your score up here in the corner. If your score gets high enough to go all the way around this circle, then you get to go to the next level. Oh, you also have to get a key. So sometimes you'll find keys fall down there. That will help you get to the next level. All right, get ready to have some fun. Don't forget that when you're done, you need to pick up all of your pieces, put them back in the box. It doesn't matter if the numbers get mixed up or the dots get mixed up with each other, but try to keep the numbers and the dots separate so it's easy to use. We don't want those to get mixed up. All right, have some fun playing Tangrams and Numbers.